What's up, guys? Probably not the best position. Not the best position to put the camera right now, but I gotta go pick up the kiddos. So I'm gonna stop here. Alright, so my kiddos is finally here. Trying to find a good way to mount the camera, and it just wasn't going to work right. Probably have to get one of those mounts that is like that you put on the windshield. I don't have one just yet. So these video blogs are going to be weird from the car. But as the title implies, going away from visible, and you know, there was nothing wrong with visible. Visible's not bad. It's not horrible or anything like that. It's just, you know, I want cost savings. I want to save money. So in order for me to do that, I mean, I have Mobile X, which is like $25 before taxes a month for the plan that I have. And then with Consumer Cellular, once I'm converted over to an employee account, then it's $20 a month for unlimited talk, text, and data. Sure do.
Look at this.
I said when I get home. Are you guys not listening?
I'll give you the app. Wait.
Sit back. Sit back.
Daddy, want this apple?
Sit back. Not right now.
Look at Thomas.
Anyhow, so as I was saying really quickly, yeah, so I have Mobile X and the Pixel 2 XL. Gonna be using it for a little bit, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. But you know, to be cost saving, save money and stuff, this is probably the better move. So anyways, thanks for checking out this quick little vlog. Not really much going on, but yeah, I will talk to you guys later.